Drift Week Day 1. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah, pretty excited.
Are you excited?
Nah, dude. Not even a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not excited at all. Not at all.
No, we're excited.
We're excited. Headed to Walla Walla right now. We're almost at Tri-Cities. Just left ex-roommate's house, and we are headed there. Drift Week Day 1. Let's get it. Drift Week Day 1.
You said that last time, bro. It's
I know.
definitely day 1.2.
You're right next to the gun club.
Skeet shooting.
How rad is that?
I like shooting skeet.
Boom! Got her.
Skeet. Skeet.
Skeet, skeet. Right here.
Like since I started about like the license of
So you know our Drift HQ boys, how much they love mimosas. So we're gonna bring them a little present on our day 1 of Drift Week. A little bit of champagne, some orange juice. Let's go give it to him. All right, we're gonna give Cricket his present.
Sorry, you better than the boy. That's good.
Just for you guys. Love you guys.
Sunday. Holy crap, it is.
There we go.
Awesome.
First lap down at Villains.
First laps, dude.
First lap's down, dude.
Oh, yeah. How was it?
So sick, so sick.
Yeah.
Love just getting out there and ripping, dude. All right, second time out. Had a little incident with Donnie. Bent tie rod. So bent tie rod and a cracked wheel back here, but still holds air. So chipped the wheel. We're good, no big deal. Gonna get it fixed back up and then we'll get out there right now. What happened?
We've been here approximately an hour before we already broke the car. And thought I was gonna have a day off, you know, after a big Pro-Am event, but no, we have to work on the car, dude.
Okay, good as new. Thanks for the help, boys.
Going down.
Going down, new one's on there. Now we gotta take all the shit back. Dude, what do you think, buddy?
It would have worked.
What's that remind you of? Wow. All right, got the car all fixed up. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
Time to take Buddy out for a rip before him and Trevor gotta head home. You excited?
To go home or to ride in the car?
Ripped my exhaust off. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but Kayla's got a sick slow motion video, so you'll see it on there. They put a Nico drop to where you can do 3-wheel motion, and I basically board slid the entire thing with my exhaust because it hangs this far off the ground. So we let the car cool down. Trevor and Carlton just got out of here with the truck and trailer, so we're all on our own with all this crap. Me, Joe, and Kayla, and we're gonna get it thrown back on and then get back out there. Got like 2 more hours of driving, so.
We rounded up.
We rounded it.
Round it up.
Hey,
Yeah, rounded
there it is.
There it
My
is.
boys. Hey,
I gotta go make it
now
out.
he's back. Cheers, guys. Thank you, guys. Little exhaust fix on the fly.
Courtesy of Jolyn.
Jonathan's here. Say hi, Jonathan.
I'm not doing nothing.
Say hi.
Hey, you came with support tools.
Don't be awkward, bro.
I'm being awkward. I'm just here.
You're supposed to get and put it close up to his face.
Oh,
and get it
well, here's
real
supervisor.
awkward,
If I'm supervisor, I want supervisor pay.
man. You better at least have a beer.
I already drank it.
I agree, buddy. It's gonna be a blast. Woo! There we go. So, quick little update. We lost our clutch. So, it's pretty much completely gone. We're about 40 minutes from my parents. We're going to try to get it home, and I think we're going to pull the trans there. So, wish us luck.
We did it!
Wow.
You made it!
Barely made it.
Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, it's going to be stinky for a little bit.
All right, well, let's
All
go
right.
figure it out and handle it.
We'll figure it out.
There's toast!
Toasty! All right, got the car in. Got all the guys helping out. We're gonna just try to do a simple thing real quick just to rule it out. We're gonna undo the master cylinder, raise it up, kind of like what we did before. Quick little bleed just to rule it out. If that doesn't work, then we will be pulling the trans. Thanks for the hospitality, boss.
No problem.
Still working on it. We're trying to figure out what the issue is. We took my dry brake and just put a -3 union in there, and we're hoping that will be the fix without pulling the trans. We're just trying to eliminate all the simple stuff first before we go and pull the trans. So we will know any minute what it is.
Why is there fluid?
Okay, it must not be brand new. It must not be brand new. That's how you find out.
So we get told that we have new parts. It's replaced broken shit, and none of it's new.
Yes,
new to
this
him.
this is a used.
Except for fucking golf cart and dick.
Joe, I might need a cigarette too. And I don't even smoke.
I need to just suck on this.
It is 1:35 in the morning. And they still don't entirely know what's going on.
Drift week day 2 starts off early. Trans back in. Rebuilt throwout bearing. Cleaned all the lines. Cleaned the master. And we're gonna hope it works. See you guys soon.
And change the slave. And I have 6 Mustangs for sale.